Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to nest audio layers or multiple audio layers inside of Premiere Pro, because Premiere Pro is stupid and it does not let you do that normally. So you must be wondering like, hey, I'm going to click nest on this. Where is the nest option? And I'm going to name it walls. And yeah, when you see that inside the nest, there is audio. But if you try to remove this audio, you can't hear the audio. So yeah, here's what you need to do. You need to delete this, and now you have the nest, right? This nest will be located inside your project folder, which is for me here. You see this nest inside your project folder. So yeah, you just need to drag this, and yeah, you're done. That is how you nest audio layers. If you try to nest it normally, you will lose the audio and it is very stupid, but yeah, this is how you do it. Hey guys, welcome to my audio recording. This is a super cool and epic audio recording. So yeah, that is how you nest audio layers. You are welcome. Like and subscribe, chat.